Hey there, the team over at WORKPRO has sent over this pair of loppers for me to try out and test. I'm really liking them so far. First up, they have really nice handles on them. They're easy to grip. They're kind of rubberized here. They're super easy and comfortable to hold. They're also a really good weight. They're not super heavy, but they definitely feel that they are made well and are gonna last a long time. They feel really good in my hand. They do have a locking mechanism on the side, and it's super easy to squeeze it and roll it back. It also locks back in place really easy. I like that it has the grooves just to give it a little more grip. The spring action is nice on it. It opens wide, closes easily. I went through the yard cutting multiple things to see how well it did. I started off with cutting some dead oregano, and it did just fine, as I figured it would. Then I moved on to cutting some fresh rosemary, which of course is woody. Fantastic job, nice clean cuts. Finally, to give it more of a workout, I went through the yard and cut a few small branches. This did a really good job cutting the branches of some saplings and making nice clean cuts. Nice clean cuts, metal gears, locks, comfortable to use. If you're looking for a new pair of loppers, then I hope this video helps you decide on if these are a good fit for you.